Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Collaborator option not showing on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And here we go. First of all, open up your Instagram application on your mobile device and simply log in with your account. After logging in, I'm at my profile page. On my account page, if I try to post a picture and select tag people, you can see that the Collaborator in my option is not available. If I go over to my settings by tapping on the hamburger menu and then selecting settings, then privacy, you can see that my account is currently private. I'm going to open up other account, and as you can see that this account is not private inside the privacy settings of Instagram. If I try to post a picture on this account and select tag people, you can see that the invitation button reoccurs again, and that is because it doesn't work when your account is private. In order to invite a collaborator, it is necessary that your account must be public. If your invite collaborator option has disappeared, then try making your account public and it will be fixed. And that's how you can fix collaborator option not showing on Instagram. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.